Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm a blogger and part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. If you want to find me there or on Instagram, you can find me at AshleyDTL. If you enjoy reseller related content, thrift hauls, talking about Poshmark Canada, all of that good stuff, I would love for you to subscribe and give this video a like on your way out. It's been a couple weeks since I've made a video, and part of that was due to the fact that I was traveling and I got back about 3 weeks ago. And then everything in the world kind of got turned upside down. And to be honest, for the past couple weeks, I haven't really felt like being on camera. Like, I was thinking about what it was gonna feel like to be like, hey friends, my name is Ashley, and I couldn't do it. But I really wanted to get back to making content and sharing videos with you, so here I am. I wanted to make this video to share a thrift haul that I picked up a few weeks ago, right when we got back from our trip, but before everything in the world got turned upside down, and also just talk about some ways that you can continue to work your business even if it looks a little bit different than it might normally. So let's jump into it. I've got my little notebook and I'm going to share as much as possible when it comes to the brand, when it comes to the item, and for most items I think I've listed some notes on what similar items have sold for, so comparable listings, and I hope that information is helpful for you. Before I show you what I bought to sell on Poshmark, I'm going to show you a couple of things that I pulled out of my closet that I picked up for me in this thrift haul, which is really exciting. The first two were just a couple of really cute Lululemon tanks. I have like far too many workout clothes and I love them, but these are super cute. This one is just like floral on the top, and then just like black mesh on the bottom. It is super cute. I love this. Does that have a drawstring? Yes it does. It has a little drawstring at the bottom. So this one was super cute. And then this one was just like a really pretty coral color. I actually had this tank in like a mint green. Oh, it's fully inside out. Yeah, anyway, just a really pretty workout tank, super simple. Love this color, super great for spring. You'll notice that a lot of the things that I picked up are like super fun colors, lots of fun prints, and a lot of denim. But those were two pieces I picked up for myself. And the third item I picked up for myself, I lost my mind when I found it. It just looks like a pile of gray fabric, but what it is a romper from Smash and Tess. It's an old Smash and Test tag there, but I believe this is the Friday romper, and it's long sleeve, it has pockets, and I believe this is like an older one. But anyway, I love Smash and Test. I am totally obsessed. I have a bunch of their rompers and I love their stuff. And so when I found one at the thrift store in my size, I was like, and I thought about selling it for like probably 5 seconds, and then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try it on when I get home, and it fit me perfectly, and I was like, well, new romper for me. So that's what I got for myself. Now I'm gonna get into the items that I picked up to resell on Poshmark. Since it took me a little while to film this haul, I've actually sold 3 pairs of jeans, and they've already sent them away. So I sold 2 pairs of rag and bone jeans, one in the 10-inch skinny and one stiletto boot style, and then I also sold a pair of Citizens of Humanity jeans, and they're all off in the mail, and I think 2 of them have already been received, so that's great. I definitely knew when I headed out to the thrift store that I wanted to replenish my denim as much as possible, and so there's quite a bit of denim in here, and it's great that 3 of the pairs have already sold. First item is this really pretty top from Evernew, which is an Australian brand. It's just like an off-the-shoulder top. It's got this really pretty print, like a stripe print, and like a 3/4 length sleeve, and it's got elastic at the top to go off the shoulder and then on the sleeves. And I just thought this was a really pretty item, and I became familiar with the Evernew brand because I actually bought a dress on Poshmark from it and I fell in love. And so when I saw the tag, it just looks like this, I was like, oh yeah, that brand. Anyway, I thought this was a really pretty item for spring. It's a size 10, and I don't think I don't know, I'm holding it like this. Did I? Oh, it looked like comparables were about 25 to 35 on this. So really pretty item for spring. Speaking of spring, this Tallulah blazer. We've talked a lot about Tallulah before. It's an Aritzia brand, and this is just a really pretty lightweight floral blazer. It is open. It does it have one button? No, it doesn't have any buttons, but it's meant to be that way. And it's got pockets at the front. This is a size 00, and I had to grab this blazer because I just thought it was so perfect for spring. And it looks like comps on this are about $30 to $40. This item is a really pretty basic Zara maxi skirt in this like really gorgeous yellow color. It's got an elastic waistband and a drawstring, and then it has slits on the side, and I loved this color. I wasn't totally convinced if I was going to sell this or keep it. I'm still not really convinced, but it's really cute. It's in an extra small, and comps on this were about $10 to $20. I haven't sold a ton of Zara, and I haven't brought a ton into my closet, but I do keep my eye out for certain Zara pieces, and I remember once looking at comps, and it seemed like Zara skirts did pretty well, and I thought that color was so pretty for spring. This item looked vintage, but I'm not totally sure. I'm not great with vintage. Not even that I'm not great with it, I'm just not super familiar with it. But the label is Jack Mulqueen, New York, and this dress caught my eye because of the print. I love this like pink and white stripe, and it's 100% silk, and so the fabric was really beautiful. It is shown as a size 12, and yeah, I really liked it. It's got really cute little ties at the top, and I just thought it was a beautiful spring dress, and I'm gonna see how it does. More floral. This is a Wilfred Perry romper. I actually have another romper like this in my closet already in like a really pretty coral color. I love this fabric. This floral print is so cute, and it is also 100% silk, and it's a size small, and I just thought it was such a super cute little romper for summer. And yeah, I love this little item. So comfy, and it has pockets, a little drawstring. It's adorable. Really, really into this romper. And comps on this I think are around 35 to 50. Very cute. This color caught my attention. It is a Maeve top. So Maeve is an Anthropologie brand, and this is in a size large, and I just loved this top. It's so wrinkled now, but I promise I steamed it for photos. And it's got a V-neck, it's got some pleating, and these like billowy sleeves. It's very pretty. And it looked like comps on this were about 20 to 40. Love me some Maeve. This is a super cute dress from Kimchi Blue, which they sell at Urban Outfitters, and I really thought this dress, I love this like 90s style, this little polka dot. It's just got buttons down the front and a little tie in the back and a little collar, and it looked like comps were about 15 to 20 on this. I just thought it was a really pretty piece, and it's already been getting a bunch of likes in my closet, and it's a size medium. Found this Lululemon jacket. It is beautiful. It's a charcoal gray, and it's got like quilting in the collar and at the back. It's got really cute sleeves and little thumb holes. I'm really into it. I don't know what this style is called. If you know, let me know in the comments. I think I literally just called it like Lululemon quilted jacket. And this is a size 8, and I love this style. I paid up for this a little bit, but I'm hoping to get somewhere between 80 and 100 for this. Beautiful jacket, and it's in great condition. These are Torrid skinny jeans in a size 12 tall. They're just a really great dark denim. Only thing I didn't notice was this little flaw in the waistband till I got it home. That's okay, I've notated in the listing. And I've had some pretty good luck with Torrid selling quickly in my closet, and these look like comps are about $20 to $40. In and amongst all my denim, I do pick up some denim shorts. So these are just like really cute Free People cutoff shorts. They are a size 26 in this light wash, and I loved these. And it looks like comps on these shorts are about 15 to 30. I know it's March, and in Canada it's a little bit tricky to think about summer coming, but it will come. And so I wanted to start putting shorts in my closet. So those are those. And then this other pair of shorts, I found a couple of pairs of Topshop denim that were new with tags, and these shorts were included. These are Kiri high-waisted shorts, and they're a US size 4, and they're very high-waisted, a cute cutoff style. And I'm hoping to get about 25 to 35 for. I talked about selling Topshop and saying that I'd sort of had mixed feelings about it, and then a bunch of Topshop in my closet sold, and so now I'm like, well, Topshop's doing okay, so I felt good about picking up those pairs of the Topshop shorts, and then I'm going to get to a pair of Topshop jeans very soon. One of the things that I like to do when I'm learning about what's selling well and new brands is going into Poshmark, going into all the listings, searching for a category, filtering out items that have sold for higher than $25, and then seeing what's sold recently. And so before this thrift visit, I did that, and I was looking specifically at jeans, and some things that were coming up were Topshop mom jeans, current Elliot, Rag & Bone, Citizen Humanity, a lot of the styles and brands that I've sold before, but the Topshop caught my eye, and so I was like, okay, if I see any Topshop jeans, I'll go for it. And then current Elliot is another brand that I picked up that was new to me but seemed to be doing well on Poshmark previously. And so that's a great way to find out brands that are selling, and that can really help you when you're sourcing to know what to look for. So before doing that research before this last haul, I hadn't heard of current Elliot, but then I saw them and I was like, okay, and then I happened to see a couple of pairs when I was out thrifting. So this pair, I'm not wearing my glasses. This is the ankle skinny in Loved Wash, and these are a size 29. So I saw these and I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna get them. And it looks like they sell on their own website, also at the Bay, Neiman Marcus, Revolve, Nordstrom Rack. So I don't know, I'm giving them a shot. Looks like comps are about 25 to 40. I will take it. Another pair of current Elliot jeans. These are in the stiletto style and a lighter wash. They also feel very soft. It looks like comps on these are about 25 to 35. Giving it a go. And these ones are a size 25, so they're a bit of a smaller size, but still giving them a shot. Last but not least, all of the denim I picked up. These are Topshop mom jeans in a size 34, and these are new with tags, so these were a great find. It looks like the Topshop mom jeans are selling from $25 to $50, and I'm hoping that because these are new with tags, they're in this great acid wash, they're a larger size, lots of good things going for them. So I feel really good about these and was happy to find them and give Topshop another go. I got other things aside from floral prints and denim. I picked up these really cute 9 West flats. I loved this color, again, very spring. These are my size. They're very tempting. I have enough flats, I promise. And it looks like comps on these are about 20 to 35. But I just love this like little basic flat style. And they're a leather upper. Is that true? Yes, these are a leather upper. Yeah, I was really into these and thought this color was really pretty. Last item is a brand that I've heard about, I've never seen in the wild until now, and it's Acne Studios. And these leather heels, they do have a little bit of wear on them, on the bottoms and on the side. There's like a little bit of scuffing, but they're in really great condition. They're a really cute style. I loved these. I didn't find a ton of comps, but their shoes and boots do really well. And so I paid up for these, but I'm gonna give them a go and see how it is. That's it for my thrift haul. It's the last haul that I'm gonna have for the next little while. And so I'm working on getting all of those photographed and listed and inventoried and put away. As I said before I made this video, I sold 3 other pairs of jeans that I had picked up on that haul, so that feels really good. And because of the state of the world for the next little while, like I'm not gonna be visiting the thrift store, so I'm looking at other ways to work my business. And so I wanted to share some ideas and things that I'm gonna be doing and things that I'm seeing other people doing during this time. But the first thing is going through my own inventory and closet to see if there's anything else that I can list. So for me, making sure that I get everything in this pile listed and up on my Poshmark closet. And I'm also going through my personal closet to see if there's anything that I haven't worn or that I know that I'm not going to be wearing in the upcoming season that I can get to a new home. So that's a great way to get inventory. So I'd encourage you to go through any, death or opportunity piles, whatever you want to call it, to make sure that you have everything photographed and listed that you can done in your own inventory, and then going through your personal closet to see if there's anything that you can recondo and just, you know, allow it to spark joy for someone else. And then there are other ways to get inventory aside from going thrifting. You can have a look online to see what's available there. Sourcing on Poshmark can be another option, as a lot of people, I'm sure, are trying to find ways to make additional money or get rid of things in their closet if they have a bit of free time. So just having a look in different places online and on Poshmark to see if there's other inventory that you can find. And then aside from adding new inventory to your closet, you can work on the listings that are already there. So that might look like reposting items, which means if you have an item in your closet that maybe didn't get as much attention as you thought it would, or it's gotten a lot of attention and a lot of likes but it hasn't moved, sometimes it can be great to just, you know, make sure you have all your photos, copy your notes from your listing, delete the listing, and then repost it as a brand new fresh listing to get some new eyes on it. And then you can also work on improving the listings that you already do have in your closet. So maybe that means taking new photos of items and freshening them up, having a look at your titles and your descriptions to see if there are additional keywords that you can add or just more information that you can add to your listings, and just taking this time to do that. On this channel, I usually talk about reselling, thrifting, and things of that nature, but I just want to remind you that during this time, just to make sure that you're taking care of yourself and those around you, and it's okay to push pause, it's okay to put your closet on vacation mode, it's okay to take a moment to take a breath if that's what you need right now. It's really important that we practice good self-care, whatever that looks like for ourselves. So it can be, you know, hustling and working on your business and taking that time to improve things and get new listings up in your closet and work your business, or it can also mean taking a moment just to sit back and reflect and practice self-care in a slower way. I'd love to hear from you what you're doing during this time, if you're working your Poshmark business, if you're purchasing things from Poshmark, or if you're just taking a moment to press pause for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and give the video a like on your way out, as it helps me out. Sending lots of love to all of you and your families, and we're all gonna get through this. Thanks for watching.